When your crush gets a new haircut, finding the right compliment can boost his confidence and leave a great impression. To make his day, jump right in and compliment his new cut, mentioning specific details you like. Reassure him that the haircut suits his vibe or personality, and pair the compliment with another flattering comment for double the effect. Use words like handsome or dapper to highlight his refined look post-haircut. If you aim for a casual approach, subtly pretend not to notice his cut for an effective compliment. Comparing him to a stylish celebrity or using imitation as flattery can also leave a meaningful impact. For a shy guy, give a considerate compliment when he's alone to avoid embarrassment. And if you have a flirty dynamic, playfully tell him his new cut looks hot. Remember, a genuine and thoughtful compliment can go a long way in making his day.